Good morning, Montessori. I hope you all are doing well. It's a lovely day today and it's a Saturday morning. So let's see what do we have today. Let's start reading. Parents, please assist your child. Please be with your child, sit with him or her and help them out to understand the basic concepts of maths as well as counting, which we have already done. हम लोगों ने अभी तक काउंटिंग कंप्लीट कर ली है 1 till 10. Let's quickly count on the pencils. How many pencils do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Excellent. We have how many pencils? We have 10 pencils. Children, please repeat with me. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Well done. Excellent. You've got it right. We have 10 pencils. Let's start reading now. Parents, please make sure that you open your child's book. This is Mind Quest Maths Copy Series, pre-nursery, 3 to 4 years of age. Yellow book, yellow वाली और orange वाली book को please open करें. Page number 76 के ऊपर. This is page number 76. I'm going to zoom in so that it's more easier for you all to see. Page number 76. Okay. हमने ऑलरेडी जो लास्ट काम दिया था इट वॉज आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ क्विक रिविजन ऑफ द लास्ट वर्क विच आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन टू यू विच इज़ टू कलर द बटरफ्लाइज इन to tell your child the difference between big and small, to color it yellow, and if you want to make it beautify it, make it pretty, you can also add a little bit of different color in it, but the major color should be yellow color. And then we did backwards counting. So let's just quickly do the backwards counting once more. This is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, this is exactly how it is. Let's read it once more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Well done. What a great work. So let's start doing this. It's page number 76. You have to tell your child the difference between long and short. Okay. What is the difference between long and short? The difference between long and short. So this is a very, very long ruler. You can see the difference here. Huge ruler, big ruler. Okay. And this is a small little structure. This is like a small little paper holder. Here, see, this is a small thing. Okay, so you can always use different experiments and different examples at home, whatever is easily available to you. जो चीज़ आपके पास आसानी से अवेलेबल है आपके घर के ऊपर, आप उसको यूज़ करते हुए अपने बच्चे को डिफरेंस समझा सकते हैं कि लॉन्ग क्या होता है, शॉर्ट क्या होता है. सही है. और उससे उनको जो है और वैरायटी भी पता चलेगी चीज़ों की कि किस किस चीज़ के अंदर, जैसे आपके पास बहुत चीज़ें हो सकती हैं ऐसे घर के अंदर जो आप उनको अलग अलग चीज़ें दिखाएं ताकि उनको अलग अलग तरीक़ों से जो है इस बात का डिफरेंस पता चले कि लॉन्ग क्या होता है. लॉन्ग मतलब लंबा, शॉर्ट मतलब छोटा, मतलब कि कम. ठीक है, तो इस चीज़ का डिफरेंस बताइए. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. पेज नंबर 76 के ऊपर है. Put today's date on. Today is 12th of September 2020 and we have started with our Maths Quest Maths Copy Series, Mind Quest Maths Copy Series, page number 76, long and short. Let's move to page number 77 now. Let's see what do we have on 77. 77 के ऊपर you have to make sure, and by the way this is all class work right now which is happening. ठीक है, ये class work करवा रही हूँ मैं. पेज नंबर 77 के ऊपर शॉर्ट को आपने येलो कलर करना है, लॉन्ग को आपने रेड कलर करना है, इसी तरीके से आपने इसमें भी करना है. अच्छा, वंस यू हैव एक्सप्लेन योर चाइल्ड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट, यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन योर चाइल्ड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन हैवी एंड लाइट. हैवी, कितना भारी पत्थर है इस लड़के के ऊपर रखा हुआ. ओके, अब इससे आप हैवी और आप लाइट का डिफरेंस भी अपने बच्चे को समझा सकते हैं. यू कैन यूज़ वेरियस डिफरेंट एग्जाम्पल्स एट होम. बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स जो हैं आप अपने बच्चों को दे सकते हैं घर के ऊपर चीज़ों के साथ, एंड इट विल बी मच मोर फन फॉर देम टू लर्न एज वेल. उनको भी मज़ा आएगा लर्न करने में, और आप भी जो है एक एक्टिविटी कर सकेंगे विच इज़ आई थिंक ऑलवेज हेल्दी फॉर इवन पेरेंट्स टू गेट इन्वॉल्व्ड विद देयर चाइल्ड वाइल टीचिंग, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स खुद जो है बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीख रहे होते हैं अपने बच्चों को सिखाते हुए, और इससे आपका माइंड भी फ्रेश रहेगा। सेकेंड ऑफ ऑल आप जो है एक्टिव लर्निंग भी करेंगे अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, ऑलराइट। So always make sure that you accompany your child, you assist your child, even if you are teaching them A B C D and एक आपने वीडियो लगाए हुए है यूट्यूब के ऊपर, मेक श्योर अगर वो एक डांसिंग वीडियो है और अगर वो कोई पोइट्री है और आपका बच्चा उस पर जंप कर रहा है, उसके साथ डांस कर रहा है, तो मेक श्योर यू ऑल्सो डू द सेम थिंग विद योर चाइल्ड सो दैट it's an active learning for you as well at the same time to keep you healthy. Alright, so please make sure that you do that. Okay, if you open to page number 79, it is the same thing, color the heavy one red and light one yellow. अब heavy जो चीज़ है उसको red color करना है और जो light चीज़ है उसको आपने yellow color करना है. Okay, so this is it really. Page number 76 पे long and short है. Page number 77 पे again long and short to be colored in. Page number 78 के ऊपर you have to tell the difference to your child between heavy and light. You have to make them color on page number 79, and page number 80 and 81 is a revision of the counting which we have already done previously. So let's start again. यहाँ पे आपने trace करवाना है. Let's do it. Let's do it with me please, child. So this is 1 dot on the top. You go right down. This is 1. Well done. 2, a little semicircle down and right. Excellent. 3, round and then another round. Excellent. Well done. 4, a line down, a line on the right, line from the up to the top. Well done. Well done. Excellent. This is exactly how you write. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, repeat with me. How many numbers do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. How many numbers do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Excellent, excellent. Let's open to page number 81. How many numbers do we have here? Let's start doing it. We have 5. 5 कैसे लिखना है? Right, down, semicircle. Excellent. Now 6, dot from the top and in a circle. Well done. Very good. 7, line to the right and then down. This is number 7. Excellent. Then 8, from the dot you will go all around and round and round and come back to the dot. Well done. Excellent. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's repeat. 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. Let's do it all together now. So how many numbers do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. Well done. Very well done. So that's about it for today. Parents, please make sure that you complete all your child's work and make him complete all his work, in fact. From page number 76 till page number 81, this is your child's classwork, and they will be completing their homework in their Mind Quest Mathematics Blue book. Okay, this is their homework book. Alright, and page number 63, page number 64, page number 65, page number 66 and page number 67 is their homework. I really request you all to please complete, get this completed, come into the school, get it checked so that you have all the remarks. Thank you very much for listening. Inshallah ta'ala, I'll be coming back in my next video with a brand new chapter. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.